Here at the Edward R. Murrow College of Communication at Washington State University, we strive for nothing short of excellence. Our college is nationally ranked across the board in subjects like research publications, advertising, and media literacy. Our college is dedicated to unifying our students and creating a sense of belonging for each person while appreciating the diversity in each individual.